Sona Tiwari from Arden Progressive School again welcome you in this video. In this video I am starting the remaining portions of exercise 4.3. That means I am starting from question number 3 onwards. Okay. So the question number 3 I am quickly starting. Just see. Find the roots of the following equation. First part I have already written x minus 1 upon 3 equals to 3 where x is not equals to 0. ये x 0 नहीं है. Okay. So solve this equation and make it quadratic equation. Very first I am taking the LCM. So LCM is x. So x square minus 1 divided by x is equals to 3. So x square minus 1 is equals to 3x and you will get x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Simply how I can find the equation now? Splitting method, completing the square or quadratic formula. I feel that I should find it by quadratic formula. That will become very easy. Okay, so that means first I am finding b square minus 4ac discriminant. Okay, so b square, b is minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1. So 9 minus plus 4. 13. So the value is coming greater than 0. So we will get the real and distinct root. Okay. So that means it is coming greater than 0. Okay. This I told you previously only. So now let me find the roots of this equation. Okay. So this is the equation. So now what is the formula? Using quadratic formula, I am writing using quadratic formula. Okay, you have to write in each and every question the statement. So x is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So therefore x equals to minus what is b? B is, right now I got this equation, b is minus 3. So b is minus 3 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. Right now I got 13. So I am writing 13 upon 2 into what is the value of a? 1. So I got the value of x plus 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2. So from here I got two values. What are the values from here? Once I will take positive and second I will take negative. So x is equals to 3 plus root 13 upon 2 and then second x is equals to 3 minus root 13 upon 2. So these are the two values of x. Okay. So quickly we can start the second part of it. Second part of the third question is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30. But the value of x should not be minus 4 and 7. Okay. So that means your answer will come to something else, not minus 4 and 7. Okay. So let us solve this. Keep this in bracket. Take the LCM, x plus 4 and x minus 7. What you will get? X minus 7 here minus x minus 7 is here. So you will get x plus 4 equals to 11 upon 30. So when you solve it, x minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by, I am just multiplying this also, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equals to 11 upon 30. So if I solve this, so I will get minus 11 whole divided by x square minus, this will get 3x minus 28 equals to 11 upon 30. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. So 30 I am sending this side, this will become minus 30 equals to x square minus 3x minus 28 plus I am sending this side x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equals to 0. So the quadratic equation I am getting plus 2 equals to 0. Now I have to solve this by quadratic formula. Okay, I am solving it. Let us see. Okay, so now we got this. So I am writing b square minus 4ac very first. Discriminant I am finding b minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is plus 2. So 9 minus 8 we got 1. So we will get the 1 discriminant. Therefore using quadratic formula. Okay, so what is quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Keep the values minus b. Minus, what is b? Minus 3 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. We already got 1 whole divided by 2 into a is 1. So we'll get x is equals to 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. Once we take 1, once we take minus 1. So when we will take 3 plus 1 upon 2 and 3 minus 1 upon 2. So we'll get 4 upon 2 and 2 upon 2. So therefore the value of x is 2 comma 1. Okay. So we will get the two values of x. Okay. This was your question number 3. Okay. Quickly we can start question number 4 now. Okay. So let us start now. So now the question number 4 is the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. So we'll write let the present age of Rahman is. Okay. Let the present age of Rahman is x. Okay. So that means we have assumed that his present age is x. So what they are saying 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So I am writing 3 years ago age of Rahman x minus 3 and 5 years from now. 5 years from now age of Rahman is x plus 5. Now what they are saying according to question, the sum of reciprocals of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. तो इनकी रेसिप्रोकल का सम दैट मीन्स इसकी रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगी x माइनस 3 और यहाँ पर रेसिप्रोकल इट विल बिकम 1 upon x plus 5. तो the sum of reciprocals of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find the present age. You have to find the value of x. Solve it. Okay. So you will take the LCM. X minus 3, x plus 5. What you will get? X plus 5 plus x minus 3 equals to 1 upon 3. So you will get 2x plus 2. And 3 will bring this side. 3 equals to send this side. X minus 3 into x plus 5. Now I have to solve this. Okay. So let us solve. So I am solving the equation. 3 to the 6x plus 3 to the 6 equals to multiply them inside x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Okay. So solve this. 6x plus 6 equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Bring all this side. So you will get x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equals to 0. All this term I have brought this side and change their sign. So you will get x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Now I am using quadratic equation minus b quadratic formula. B square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. X is equals to minus b minus 4 plus minus root of b square minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c is minus 21 whole divided by 2 into a. So therefore x is equals to 4 plus minus root of 16 plus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 whole divided by 2. Okay. So quickly if we'll solve this, what we'll get? X is equals to 4 plus minus root of 10 ka 0 carry over 1, 8, 9, 10, 100 upon 2. So x is equals to 4 plus minus 10 upon 2. Once you will take positive 1, once you will take negative value. So therefore x is equals to 4 plus 10 upon 2, comma the negative value 4 minus 10 upon 2. So therefore x is equals to 14 upon 2 7 and this is minus 6 upon 2 minus 3. So age of Rahman cannot be negative, so you will write in statement form as age of Rahman, किसी की भी age cannot be negative ना, negative नहीं हो सकती, cannot be negative, therefore age of Rahman rightful is 7 years. This is your answer. Okay, so this was your question number 4. So quickly let us start question number 5 now. Okay, now the question number 5 is given to you in a class test. I am writing in rough. See here, in a class test the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. इसका मतलब तो maths में and English में the sum is 30. Okay, so what is given to you? Had she get 2 marks, so I am writing let the marks in mathematics is x. So mathematics में अगर x marks हैं तो English में कितने हो जाएंगे? So x plus English is equals to 30, so we'll get 30 minus x. So this thing I am writing very first. Let the marks in mathematics is x. So therefore, according to question, marks in English कितने हो जाएंगे? 30 minus x because sum of their marks is 30. Now what they are saying, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, then case second, if she got marks in mathematics कितने दिए? 2 marks more, so कितने हो जाएंगे? x plus 2 and 3 marks less in English. Okay, so marks in English 3 marks कम हो गए. So पहले कितने थे? 30 minus x, उसमें से minus 3 कर दो. So what you will get? 27 minus x. Now the marks are these. Okay, so had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would be 210. Find the marks in 200 different subjects. In both the subjects you have to find the marks. So what is the product? So according to question it is given to you, product of their marks is 210. Now find it. 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x, 210 I am bringing this side, equals to 0. Solve it. Minus x square, this is 27x minus 2x, it will become 25x plus the, okay, plus 54 minus 210. You will get minus 6. Here 0 is there, 0 minus 5, 156 is equals to 0. So you got this. I can change this sign because I have to make it positive. I am just changing the sign of whole equation. So I will get x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Okay. Now I am solving this equation by quadratic formula. Okay. Let us start the quadratic formula. So let us find this. What is a here? 1. B is minus 25 and C is 156. So x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square. So b square I am directly writing 6 to 5 minus 4 into a into 156 divided by 2 into a is 1. So x is equals to 25 plus minus root of 6 to 5 minus 6 4s are 24, carry over 2, 5 4s are 20, 22, carry over 2, 4 2s 4 is 4, 5 6. Whole divided by 2. So you will get x is equals to 25 plus minus root of 1 upon 2. Once you take positive, once you take negative. So the value of x will get 25 plus minus 1 upon 2. So we will get x is equals to 25 plus 1 upon 2 and 25 minus 1 upon 2. So what is the 26 upon 2 and 24 upon 2. So that means 13 comma 12. So what is the marks X? Marks X is the marks of mathematics. Okay. So now what we have to find, and marks of mathematics is, once it can be 13, it can be 12, and marks of English 30 minus X. Okay. So marks of English you just try. So therefore the two cases, when marks in maths is 13, so therefore marks in English 30 minus 13, so what you will get? 7, 17. So 13 and 17 are the marks. Or when the marks are 12 in maths, so when the marks are 12 in maths, I am writing in short, you will write the whole statement. Therefore marks in English will be 30 minus 12, so 18. Okay, these are the results. So this is your question number 5th. In this video we are doing only till question number 5th. Next questions we'll do in the next part of the video. Okay, so till then keep watching the video. Please do like and share the video, and most important, please do practice with your own. Okay, so without practice nothing is possible. So till then keep practicing. Thank you very much. Bye bye.